Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo wa Gingrikan. My name is Manta Gingrikan, coming to you live from Sami Dam. I'm in Limpopo. This is my home village actually. I come from this place. It's December time. So we are at home, it's holidays, in South Africa. It's summertime, if you understand what I mean. So today I just want to look at my hot summer songs for 2019. I guess that's mga titimil. Yes guys, welcome back. This is Manta Gingrikan welcoming you to another episode of Nkanelo wa Gingrikan. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Make sure that you click the red button and also indicate the bell so that you don't miss anything. So let's get right into it. Every year in South Africa there's always a new genre that pops up, and this year we saw the rise of Amapiano with artists like Kabza De Small, MRF Souls, DJ Maphorisa, just to name a few. They've all been serving a sort of a niche fan base for years, but now this year Amapiano became very popular, but that doesn't mean that other genres are not prospering as well in South Africa. So I came up with like 15 top hot summer songs for 2019 that are rocking the country. So guys, on number 15, yeah, maybe before we talk about number 15, I know some of you could be wondering why are we talking about summer and it's cloudy, and it's almost like windy where I am right now. But because of climate change, as you know, things are changing here. Summertime usually it's hot in Giani. Giani is in the north of South Africa, in the northern province, in the Limpopo province these days. So it's always hot this time, but because of climate change, things have changed. It's quite windy and it's raining and it's cloudy, but it's summer. I know it's not that cold, but it's not hot at least. So on number 15, I have a guy called Lil Nas X. The song is called All Time Road. I like this song. I know that every kid likes this song, especially out here in my home village of Atama, outside Giani in Limpopo province, here in South Africa. It took me time to realize that Miley Cyrus is actually Billy Ray Cyrus' daughter. I also know that Lil Nas is gay, but I really want to meet him in real life. Okay guys, on number 14 is Master KG featuring Nomcebo. Jerusalem. Have you seen the challenge? Yeah, that's Jerusalem. Yo guys, I can't dance, but this song keeps me walking. Have you seen me walking? Nice song. It's actually a very nice song for December. I hope you agree with me. Guys, on number 13, I've got Yanga Chief featuring Boyti D and Ricky Rick, Utata remix. Yo guys, I know that people know Yanga Chief and Ricky Rick and everyone there in the song, but it looks like it's Boyty's verse that stole the show in the song. People like the flow, and also the fact that people didn't expect her to deliver such bars. So the flow is nice, and then she sort of almost surprised everyone.
On my darling, yeah. On my darling, yeah.
Digga ni feel popote. Can't kill it battle one by one. Kill it battle one by one. Okay, I'm joking. Let's be serious. Alright. Personally, this a touchy subject. Cause my dad was alive, but his presence wasn't. So my mama was everything that he wasn't. But then still in the end, I'ma always love him. I could never be the one to ever judge him. Cause I turned out amazing, so I ain't bugging. I mean, look at my life, all the haters love it. Got a big body whip, so I'm way above it.
So guys, Tellaman came up with a feature of Shekinah and Nasty C. It's called Whipped. People like it very much. It's kind of a song that will keep you humming for hours if you listen to it once. I really like the song. That's on number 12 for me. So, being a kid from Guyana, you know, I think it makes a lot of sense for me to acknowledge Sho Madjozi for her works in that song called John Cena. She, you know, gained a lot of appreciation, especially from John Cena himself. So, we all know what happened in that American TV show when John Cena popped up and then surprised there. So she really did well. I mean, I know most people are thinking that maybe she's from Kenya or Tanzania. I know because of the fact that she raps nice in Kiswahili, you know. She's actually not from Kenya. She's actually from here in Limpopo. She speaks Xitsonga. So Xitsonga is a local language here. So I feel like many people are trying to claim her, especially guys from East Africa, because of her Kiswahili. She grew up here in South Africa, but she did stay in Tanzania. That's why her Kiswahili is that clean. John Cena at number 11. I really like the song at number 10. I've got Prince KB featuring Msaki. Fetch Your Life. Is it fair for me to say in that song it's Msaki that makes the song? Huh? It's a very nice song, guy.
That's amazing. I'm about to play my last song. In my years of music making, I've never encountered such talent. Msaki is amazing. Are you guys fetching your lives? Let's go. Give it up for Msaki one time. Shout out to Msaki. Wow, you guys are amazing. Woo.
You guys look beautiful. Your back sways in corrupt emotion.
Guys, who's at number 9? It's Burna Boy, all the way from Nigeria, from Niger. Anybody? I like the guy. It's Burna Boy at number 9 for me. I feel like people are jamming to the Afrobeats. I know there's a huge difference between Afrobeat and Afrobeats. So it's Afrobeats making a huge impact in East Africa, North Africa, Southern Africa. We love Nigerian music. We love Afrobeats actually. I know there's a bit of a, you know, rift between Burna Boy and South Africans, especially what happened between him and AK, and also regarding that Africa Unite concert. But hey, you know what? We love the music. Regardless of whatever people are saying, whatever people are talking about, we love Burna Boy and also like the music. So he's at number 9 for me. I know many of you are wondering, why is our top 15 lacking Amapiano? Hey, Amapiano is dominating here. It's dominating my top 15. So at number 8 is Jobe, you know, featuring Kamumanje. I guess Dors. Salute. Guys, at number 7 is TNS Umona featuring Mpumi. This song could easily be at number 1, but because of the tough competition that's there, guys, Amapiano, you know what's happening. But it's a very nice song. I really like the song. You know, I was playing this song and my neighbor called the police saying that I'm making noise. And you know what happened? The police came and arrested her instead of me. No, I'm kidding. You know what's happening in December. We make a lot of noise. But it's a very nice song for December. And then it's easy song. You can dance to it. I like it. Even the message. I know many people actually liking the song because of the message. But the beat is dope as well. Some thought this song is actually directed to Prince KB. But the guys are back together, huh? They're actually friends again now. Good one. It's a nice one. Kudos to that. Okay guys, at number 6 is Semiti featuring Miano and Kamudi. Labantona ba uba. Yabo. You know, for those who are wondering, behind these bushes is a village called Tomo Village. So So guys, it's Nkanelo Gingirkan with me, Legere Ekesos. I'm testing Totora. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Click the red button and also the notification bell to make sure that you are not left behind. At number 5, that's my top 5. I feel like this song, I don't know, this song always reminds me of the guy called Rod Muchengwa. It's actually something Soweto. This song is something Soweto. Aklaleki. No, yeah. Does that song not remind you of Rod Muchengwa? He's that guy, Zimbabwean blesser, who was trending on social network for, singing the song off tune and off key with his bass. So is it time for me to say, can he be credited for this song or for making this song trend on Twitter? Most of my friends know that I'm actually an AKA freak. I love AKA's music. So it's not really a surprise that I'll put Free at number 4. It's AKA Ricky Rick and DJ Tira. It's a very nice song. I actually play that song almost every day. I love it. Number 3. My number 3 is MRF Souls featuring Shasha, DJ Maphorisa, Kabza the Small. Can you do a song without Kabza the Small, especially if you are Amapiano? Especially if you're doing Amapiano. It's this kind of song where it's almost bordering between, house souls and Amapiano. So I really like the song. That opening verse, yeah, DJ Maphorisa, for me, 100s. Shasha's vocals on the song, nice. It's very addictive. The song is very, very addictive. So it deserves to be at number 3 for me. Guys, this is a very tough one. Because for many people, the new year will be ushered in by Umlilo, So number 2. Can I put Umlilo at number 1 or at number 2? This is a very tough one for me. Please help me, guys. Please comment down below. Tell me what song can I put at number 2, or which song deserves to be at number 2. For me, I feel like Umlilo, Mazel, DJ Zinhle, and Rethabile deserves to be at number 2. The vocals, Rethabile's vocals, the combination of Mazel and DJ Zinhle, 100%. And the energy that they dish out when they perform the song, man, So it's possible that the song can be the one that ushers us to 2020, But I have a big song at number 1. Haka matoro kisi haka. Yo guys, please don't kill me for this one. I know I'm from Limpopo. I can be accused of being biased, but everywhere I went to and the song has been trending, Makazi did well, so I feel like she deserves to be at number 1 for me. Makazi Hakamatorogisi. So guys, what a show. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. For those of you who have stayed up to this far, it's been a long show. And thanks for my cameraman, Abel Mkwashu. Thank you very much. It's been tough, It's windy out here in Giyani. It's summer, it's December. We are within. We are within. We are inside. Get December, baby. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Now Kensang Ndiabulela Inkomu Mazwita. Now Kensang, guys, for watching the show. I know it's your show, it's my show, it's our show. Nkanelo wa Gingirkani. My name is Mandela Gera. Gingirkano Kamashaba.